This mount is tailored for late-model Toyota Tacoma and Toyota Tundra air vents, so it sits securely without blocking airflow or rattling on bumpy roads. The magnetic head uses strong N55 magnets with substantial pull force, giving MagSafe phones a very firm, confidence-inspiring hold even during hard braking or off-road driving. Its metal arm and ball socket feel solid and allow full rotation, making it easy to switch between portrait and landscape while keeping the screen at a comfortable angle. Installation is straightforward thanks to the clamp design, silicone padding, and included tool, and once tightened, the mount stays put without sagging or slipping. The overall build quality feels premium, with aluminum alloy components that look factory-worthy inside the cabin rather than like a flimsy add-on. The package includes thoughtful extras like a metal ring for non-MagSafe phones and spare hardware, so it works well across different devices and is easy to keep in service long-term.